What's up everybody? For today's video I'm going to show you a vintage coin sorter. This one is made around 1970s. Let's see what it's all about. I got here a bag of coins. Let's set this up first and then we're going to put coins in there. There is a leg right here. You open it up and stand it like that. And then like this, same way, boom. You can actually make it stand like this, make it more angle or less angle. I'm probably just gonna put less angle like that. On this side we got a plug, we're just going to plug it in. This thing is huge. To show you how it works I probably have to handheld the camera. Right here you put all your coins in here, and this one when you press on it's starting to vibrate. You can make it vibrate more or less. And as you can see right here there is little slits for different type of coins. It tells you how much money you got over here. You gotta put them like this, not too much. Okay, let's turn it on. It's starting to vibrate. Let's put it on medium. And look, it's starting to fall slowly. Okay, I'm gonna put it on max. See what happens. Boom, and coins starting to fall. How cool is that? Whoa, look at them separating. Whoa, this is so satisfying. And look, there is overstock. This is so awesome. I have mostly pennies, as you can see. And as you can see, if you get too many coins, it falls in there. Wow. Let's see what happens if I push too many coins. You see, there's a bunch of coins went to the overstock. Oh. Gotta pause it because we have right here overfill. Boom, right here we got ourselves 75 cents. A whole roll. That's awesome. You see? Too many coins falling into here. There you go. Okay, I'll load it up again. Let's do this one more time because it's awesome. Put the vibration more. It's starting to sleep. And look, it's falling through here. Wow, this is mesmerizing. Oh. Sometimes you just gotta fix it a little bit. But for the most part, it's beautiful. It works so well. Boom. Nice. Overstock right here. Empty now, we can turn it off. Overstock right here, so it goes into right thing. And then we can just drop them. This one's overstock now too. Boom, look at that. We got ourselves $14.50. Here over 75 cents. Right here almost $4. And right here over $3.25. One of a kind coin sorting machine definitely a huge thumbs up from me. Also, let me know in comments below what do you think. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.